Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're talking about 5 passive income ideas that actually work. But here's the twist. We're diving deep beyond the generic advice to uncover real, actionable strategies that can change your financial future. Tease the importance. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They require effort up front, but once set up, they can generate income with minimal maintenance. Hook the audience. Stay till the end, because the last idea is a hidden gem that most people overlook, yet it has made thousands of people financially free. 1. High-yield dividend stocks. Meet Jake. He started investing just $200 a month into dividend-paying stocks 5 years ago. Today, those investments pay him over $1,000 per month in passive income. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Apple have been paying dividends for decades. How it works: buy stocks of companies with a strong dividend history and reinvest the dividends to build a growing cash flow stream. Would you rather get a steady paycheck from stocks or risk it all for high growth? Let me know in the comments. 2. Rental properties and REITs. Sarah always wanted to invest in real estate, but didn't have the money to buy a house. Instead, she invested in REITs, real estate investment trusts, and now earns rental income without managing tenants. Owning rental properties can generate monthly cash flow. But if you don't want the hassle of being a landlord, REITs allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. Look for properties or REITs that offer high rental yield, and use rental platforms like Airbnb for short-term rentals. Would you rather own physical property or invest in REITs? Drop your answer below. 3. Selling digital products. Michael made one digital product, a simple budgeting spreadsheet. He listed it on Etsy, and within 6 months, he was making $3,000 a month without lifting a finger. Digital products include ebooks, printables, templates, online courses, and stock photos. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly without extra effort. Find a problem people need a solution for, create a digital product, and sell it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. If you could sell a digital product today, what would it be? Let's brainstorm in the comments. 4. Affiliate marketing. Emma started a simple blog about fitness. She recommended workout gear and supplements using affiliate links. Today, she makes $5,000 per month in passive income. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. You don't have to create anything. Just recommend products you trust. How to start? Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer commission-based programs. Create content around products you love and share your links. What's one product you use daily that you'd love to get paid for recommending? 5. YouTube automation. David never showed his face, yet he built a faceless YouTube channel that makes $10,000 per month from ad revenue and sponsorships. YouTube automation involves creating videos using AI-generated content, hiring freelancers for voiceovers and editing, and earning passive income through YouTube ads. How to start? Choose a niche, create valuable content, and monetize through YouTube AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate links. If you started a faceless YouTube channel today, what niche would you choose? Recap: we just covered 5 real passive income ideas that actually work. Whether you choose dividend stocks, rental properties, digital products, affiliate marketing, or YouTube automation, the key is to start today. Remember, passive income isn't truly passive at first. It takes effort up front, but the rewards are worth it. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe to Investosphere, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next big investing tip. Which of these ideas do you like the most? Drop a comment below.